Hi, I'm Rita, and today I'll be showing you just how easy it is to set up your Iris Connect Record Kit. Whether you're using iOS or Android, the process is the same. We'll be going through setting up different types of record kits. Ready? Let's get started.
Step 1. Power on your device. First, turn on the devices and open up the Iris Connect Record app. If your device doesn't have the app installed, you can install this from the App or Play Store. If it's your first time using the app, connect the device to the internet. Sign in with your Iris Connect credentials or select one of the SSO options, making sure the region is set correctly. If you've logged in before, just select your name from the list. After the initial setup, you can log in offline too. Step 2. Connect the Bluetooth microphone. The process of connecting the microphones is the same whether you have one or two devices. If you have two devices and two microphones, just do the following steps for each device. First, turn on the Bluetooth microphone. It'll connect automatically if they've been paired before. You'll know they're connected if the microphone icon is green, and the LED on the mic shows a blue light every 5 seconds. You can also test the mics by tapping or blowing on them and checking the audio bars shown in the app. If you need to pair the microphone, tap on the microphone symbol. Then, the settings cog. This will take you to your device's Bluetooth settings, where you can pair the mic to your device. If you're using the Pro version of the record kit with 2 microphones per device, the app will look like this, with 2 mics paired to the device. Step 3. Pair devices for dual view. To record a dual reflection and get 2 perspectives of your classroom, we will need to make sure both devices are paired. Looking at the pairing icon, if you see green on both devices, this means they're paired. If the icon is gray or red, tap on the pairing icon and select the other device from the menu. You will need then to accept the pairing request from the other device. Once they've been paired, they should always pair automatically, but always check the icons are green before starting a reflection. Step 4. Setup in the classroom. Clip the microphone to your clothing or use the lanyard provided to wear it around your neck so you can capture your voice. Make sure any jewelry or any other lanyards aren't going to bang on the microphone when walking around. If you have another microphone, place the second microphone in the base and position it to capture the second audio channel. We recommend facing your device where you will be teaching, and if you have a second device, set it up at the back or of the side of the room to either get a wider angle or capture the students. You may find it easier to position the device by changing from front to back camera. You can do this via the camera settings menu. Here's an example of good positioning of cameras and microphones in the classroom. All kits have a mini tripod included, which can be positioned on a shelf or a desk. The holder can be adjusted using the buttons on the back to fit a phone or tablet. The legs are adjusted using the bottom ring for a wider or narrower position and extended using this button. The angle of the holder can be adjusted using the top ring. If your kit has a floor tripod, first pop out the legs, then loosen the knob to extend the legs. You can either use a narrow or wide setting, then tighten the knob. Extend the central pole like so. Make sure to use the Velcro strap to attach the tripod to a table leg or a similar object to ensure it does not get knocked over. To add the device, position the device holder either landscape for a phone or portrait for a tablet. Finally, review the camera settings menu if you need to change the camera quality, anonymization, or other camera settings. Step 5. Start recording. Now you're ready to record. Press start on either device or double-click the button on the microphone. By default, the screen turns black. That's to minimize distractions for your students. This feature is called screen fade and can be turned off in the settings anytime before or during the recording. Take a quick moment to ensure the device shows it's recording and the audio bars are responding to the input for the mic. Step 6. Add notable moments. During your lesson, you can mark notable moments by clicking the microphone button once. This places a bookmark on the reflection timeline for you to look back on. Step 7. End and save the reflection. When your session is over, press stop on either device, and this stops the recording on all devices. You can title your reflection now, or keep the preset title and rename it after it's been uploaded. Tap Save and Upload. Your reflection is now automatically encrypted onto the device. If your devices are connected to Wi-Fi, the recording will automatically upload to your personal Iris Connect account. You can check the upload progress on the devices by tapping the blue cloud icon. Once uploaded, the reflection will be automatically deleted from the device. If you are not connected to the internet, the reflection will stay securely encrypted on the devices until it's connected to Wi-Fi. If you select Delete and Record New at this stage, the reflection will be permanently deleted, so we always recommend saving it as you can delete it later from your account if you wish. Step 8. Packing away the kit. When you're finished with your record kit, don't forget to 1. Turn off the Bluetooth microphones, 2. Turn off the devices once they've finished uploading, 3. Charge the devices, microphones ready for the next time, and 4. Pack everything neatly in the kit. Support and troubleshooting. If you need any help at any stage, our support team is here for you. Visit our support hub by using the QR code on the case, via the website, or using the contact details on the screen. And that's it. You're ready to use Iris Connect.